Hey guys, it's me, I'm back again. Tim Yurko here, on and off the trail. Of course, I'm off the trail right now in my house. I wanted to do another mail opening package with you guys. I got some of the last stuff here in. I think after this shipment I have one more shipment of stuff. I'm waiting on it to be made. So just kind of want to show you guys some stuff I bought and why I decided to buy it. Hey, this first one here. Now this here is a small little 6-inch 110 cord. I bought this because with my battery charger it plugs directly into the wall socket, and I wanted some cables that would allow me to be able to extend that down to the floor so that my devices are not hanging on by the USB cords as they're charging. It's not good for the device, it's not good for the cables. So I bought this, that way, I can do that. Also, if I have to plug a big device into a outlet for the charge cables, which I will show you guys everything that I have in a future video, nearby future video. This allows me a small little port into the wall to let it hang down, so if other people have stuff, the cables taken up. I'm going to save this one here for last. Now I don't know what's in all of these boxes, but most of it is hiking related. Some of it is related to my drive-away. I can figure out how some of these open. This one is for me and for you guys. I went ahead and bought my Jarman inReach Mini. And it weighs about 3.5 ounces, but with this thing here, I will be able to send and receive text messages out on the trail. I will be able to, at the push of a button, call for help if I really need it. And also, I will be setting my stuff up so that you guys can track me and see where I'm at. Because while I'm out on the trail, I'm not going to be able to do live videos a lot, so you won't know where I'm at, if I'm still moving around. So I will have a link posted up once I figure out how to do it all. That way people can easily track where I'm at. Especially for my immediate family and friends that will worry about me out there while I'm out on the trail. 'Cause after all, this is why I did start this video logging of my hiking. And my next item all this packaging material. A package and a package. This is my headlamp. Now, you guys wonder, I had a headlamp already. I have an Instagram photo you can see. It looks like it came with a USB wall charger. I don't think I'll be needing that. I bought the Nightcore New 25 rechargeable headlamp. This thing here is extremely light, lighter than the other one that I had, and it's rechargeable. I went ahead and bought this because I wanted something brighter, which this one is 360 lumens. The other one that I had was only like 160 lumens. Yeah, 360 lumens. I was thinking 325 for some reason. That, and since it's rechargeable, I don't have to carry spare batteries with me. So I went ahead and bought this so I can start using it. Okay, got some Ujito sweet green tea matcha powder. And I got this because it's, you know, try to drink healthy out on the trail instead of just drinking water all the time. I can mix it up and also get some other good healthy stuff. I'll do a review on this when I do what I'm going to eat out on the trail, which will be a video here shortly. Alright, now I have all of the SD cards that I am going to need. So these 32 gigabyte SD cards is what I put in my camera to record all of the videos. Now for this, I decided I needed 9 total. I will carry 3 with me. 3 will always be in the mail, and the other 3 will be with Anthony, my video editor. And as soon as he gets the data off of them, he will set them in the mail, and I will receive them, put the ones that I have on me that are full back in the mail, and send them back to him. And it'll just be a vicious cycle, because uploading this video on the trail is going to be a pain. I don't want to have to worry about if I'm going to have internet data or not. It's just easier if I just mail them out. He will send them to me in prepaid envelopes, so I can just drop them in a mailbox anywhere that I'm at when I receive them. Okay, this is for drive away. This is just some posture support stuff. It's in there, so I'm just showing it to you. It doesn't have anything to do with this video, but I will be doing a review on this stuff when I do my drive away, because that's what it's for. Almost done. 2 more boxes. I'm so excited. I love getting stuff in the mail, especially packages. My hat. Finally got me a hat. This will be used to keep the sun off my neck, the sun out of my eyes, the sun out of my hair if I decide to cut my hair while I'm out on the trail. And when I wear my bug net, I will be able to keep the bug net off of my face, because it does get buggy out there, and I hate being bugged, especially by bugs. So if I could wear a head net, I don't want it to be all over my face, especially with the permethrin that's in it. So we have this, and it'll hold it out. I like it. Oh, and by the way, this is a Columbia Bora Bora boonie hat. And this is another part of my back brace system for drive away. It's in there, so I figured I'd tell you about it. Don't want to seem like I'm hiding anything from you. Oh, this one, oh, I forgot why this was so heavy. It took me a minute to think about this one. This is part of my diet for on and off the trail, but it'll be a big part for on the trail. So I'll explain it later. However, sunflower butter. I love this stuff. Sunflower butter is the best. It's basically sunflowers that have been ground up, and that's it. Just like you make peanut butter, just made with sunflowers. This is actually done with roasted sunflowers, so it's salt roasted and nothing else. No sugar, no nothing. This is some beautiful stuff. Bought 6 jars of this stuff. Now for my last that I said I was going to save for later. Here it is. Hope I don't struggle opening it too much. Nope, it looks like it was easy. Now this is for camping, but I'm not taking it out on the trail with me. Maybe when I get to the PCT, I will. This is my Gear Top 1-person 3-season inner tent. I did not buy the outer, I only bought the inner. Why? Even when I use this out on the trail, I have that huge rain fly that's going to keep all the wind and the rain and snow or whatever else off of me. So why did I need the outer? I didn't. This thing here is nice, it's lightweight, uses your trekking poles to set up. Well, you might ask, since I have a hammock, why did I buy this for local camping? Well, I decided that when I am local, I really want to take my dog with me. She misses me when I'm gone. She was used to always be out on the road with me. So this is my dog's tent. I will lay it, it's all mesh on the outside, so I will lay it right next to my hammock under the rainfly, and that way she can always see me and be right there next to me, and we can camp together. Well guys, that is it. That is probably my second or third to last package before I go to the Pinhoti Trail. That being said, I want to leave you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little happiness here of opening my packages, and I hope you don't mind the messy room back here behind me, but hey, it happens. We all have our junk room, right? Well, until my next video, just want to leave you guys, say farewell, and remember, love the hike, hate the walk. Y'all have a good one.